Stop scrolling. Plus, what if I told you there's a way to make TikTok actually push your videos without spending hours editing?
Wait, are we talking about those mysterious TikTok hacks everyone keeps whispering about in 2025?
Exactly. Plus, TikTok's no longer just about dances. It's where creators either blow up overnight or get buried by the algorithm.
Facts. And that algorithm? It's obsessed with one thing: how long people watch your video. If you hook them in 3 seconds, you're golden.
Right. That's the 3-second rule. Most people lose viewers before they even finish saying, "Hey guys." You gotta start bold question, payoff, or a wow moment.
Like, want to triple your TikTok views in 7 days? Boom! Instant attention.
And loopable content. People don't even realize they're rewatching it, but TikTok does. That replay count goes crazy.
Don't forget trending sounds. I usually check the trending tab or talkboard every morning.
Yeah, trends move faster than Wi-Fi at a coffee shop. You miss a day. You miss the wave.
And honestly, editing speed matters. Most creators burn out trying to manually edit.
Same here, I used to spend hours cutting clips, syncing sounds, adding caption until I found this tool called Long Short Clip.
Oh yeah, LSC? I actually use that too. It turns long podcasts into short TikToks automatically. Captions, resizing, all of it.
Exactly. Saves so much time. Instead of editing one TikTok in 3 hours, you've got 5 ready to post.
And consistency is key. The algorithm loves creators who post often.
So if you're serious about blowing up on TikTok in 2025, hook early, use trends fast, and edit smarter, not harder.
And maybe let AI handle the boring part while you focus on the creative magic.
Boom. That's the secret sauce.